Are you ready for some yummies? Guess what, you guys? Today is mustard and ketchup day. What? Is it hot dog day? Oh, absolutely not. Technically, it's just ketchup day, and I just call it ketchup for fun, but it's really ketchup. Okay, what does that mean? Have I lost my mind? Well, probably. But what am I talking about? I am talking about on the 25th of each month, we have a release. Well, really, it's on the 24th, the night before. But anyway, okay. Getting off here. Okay, every 25th of the month, we release items that are technically being called re-releases, meaning I originally released them with Sizzix, and now you can no longer get them there, so we're bringing them to our website. Or I took them on HSN, and now we're going to put them on our website. Or they were in a kit that we once had, and now we're selling them separately. Or we had extra, and they're embellishments, and we put them together, and you can get them now for a limited time. So, boom, let's jump in. Let's check all of this out. Now, this is kind of a big one because we had some that we really wanted to get out to you before the holidays, and we just wanted to make sure you had the chance to get them now. Are you ready? Get set. Let's go. The first one is a fall ribbon pack. This is extremely limited. Once it is gone forever. So if you do not see it on our website, I'm sorry, it's gone. Okay, here we go. We have 2 browns. One is a velvet. Oh, yeah, yummy, yummy. We have a plaid. We have a yummy green seam binding. And we have the, oh my goodness gracious, we all love it, that faux, meaning fake, leather stuff, string. It's not string. I don't know what you'd call it, but it's awesome and everybody loves it. So it's the one that you just want to go like this with because it's so fun. Okay, that's on the website. Now, also on the website, if you missed it, if you were not in the kit club, this was in a kit club, okay? So go check your stash. If you're in the kit club, you already have this, but you should have it. That means if you don't, that means you weren't in the kit club this month. It was released a while back, at least a year back. And it is an A1 swish card. Now, the cool thing about this is the full card base was available in our kit club. Yeah, the whole die was available in our kit club. Yeah, we just kind of threw it in. Hello, the kit club. If you're not in the kit club, you're missing out on card bases almost every month. Card bases, the whole card. You guys, look at this. It's the whole card. And this is kind of a 2-for-1 on this one because you are also getting, and I have them separately when I store them, because you are getting the A1 card base and it comes with the words Happy Holidays, but you're also getting A1 dotted rectangles in this set. Now, if you're not in the kit club, yes, you can buy it separately now, but let's be honest. If you were in the kit club, you would have already gotten this. And for literally X amount of dollars more, you would have gotten everything else that was in the kit club. A paper pad, another die set, you would have gotten ribbon, you would have gotten a storage envelope, you would have gotten regular envelopes, you would have gotten cardstock, you would have gotten embellishments, you would have gotten a storage envelope. Let me tell you guys, you need to go check out the Card Kit Club because most of the time we give you an A1 card base. Are you kidding? I know, it's insane. Go check it out. You missed out. Now you can get it, but you have to pay the real price. Okay, also, we had this in a kit one time. It's the Diagonal Fun stencil. It's awesome. Go check it out. Also, a billion years ago, I took this stamp set on HSN when we did our tags. It is now time to have it available. So if you're a tag person like me, I love doing gift tags. To, from, in any kind of font you would ever want. To, from, a gift for you, to, from, just for you, little squigglies, lots of different to and froms. So awesome. Also, I took on HSN 100 years ago, our standing reindeer. I just saw at least a handful of you jumping out of your seats screaming. I did. I really did. Because we've had so many people say, when are you going to bring that standing reindeer to your website? Because on our website before, we had the cute sitting reindeer, his little friend. And everyone kept saying, when is the outstanding reindeer coming to your website. It's sold out on HSN instantly. And so finally we have it on our website. Also, speaking of HSN, this is an amazing die set, and it's like a double kind of thing because the whole thing doesn't even fit on this card base, but it is a 3D pop-up. And I'm going to show you samples, don't worry. It comes with a confetti background die and also this gorgeous fun flower background die. It also comes with the words hello and congrats in vertical. Those are also perfect for our gatefold cards, right? Everything goes together, right? I'm going to show you samples. Boom, boom, boom. Let's jump in. Okay, so first, already on our website was this cute little guy. Now we have the standing reindeer. And look at how adorable this little guy is. Here he is holding a little stocking. Look at that. Or you could put him in a bigger envelope and add a tree with him as well. Look at how gorgeous those are. I know a lot of you are screaming right now. I know. Finally, I'm sorry it took so long. Okay, let's look at these 3D pop-ups. Now they're really, really easy to do. There is a video on them. I'll probably do another one in a crafting corner, but look at this. Oh, looks like an everyday card. That hello is included in the card die set, but look at this. What? Look at that. Open, pops open, celebrate. Look at that. Okay, let's look at another one. Happy anniversary. Ready? Wait for it, wait for it. Pop up. Look at that. And see, you can see how popped up it is. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? It's like an inside pop-up. Okay, let's look at this one. 30th. Ooh, using our heart stencil that I love. I love that heart stencil. Ready? Ready? Open it. Congrats. And look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Actually, this was by Brenda in Utah. She sent this to me. So she actually bought it on HSN. And she sent me a beautiful card, and look at this. Isn't that awesome? For my 30th wedding anniversary. That's how long ago this die set came out, because I've been married 33 years now. Woo, this one's been in the vault a long time. Thank you, Brenda. Here you go. Here's another one. This one's by Catherine. Ready? Open it up. Look at that. Our mermaid and our dolphin, and look at those flowers, you guys. Hello. Isn't that awesome? Look at that pop-up. I have more. Woohoo! Look at that confetti. We're ready to go. It cuts out confetti. Look at that, you guys. Add the confetti pieces off to the side as well. How fun is that, right? Oh, here's a pretty one. Happy anniversary. Oh, another customer bought this on HSN and sent me a card for my anniversary. Look at this. Ready? Happy anniversary. This is by Debbie. Congrats. There's our fun confetti. Oh my goodness, Debbie, that's awesome. 3 years ago, 2020. I love it. I love it. Yes, I saved them. You guys, I really tried to save them. Okay, I love it. Okay, here we go. Here's an inside one. Ooh, this is showing you that you could use with the card base, you could use your other background dies. Yeah, your other background dies that are drop-in dies. You can use them. Wait, what does that mean? Other background dies that do not have that have the two dies separate, you could do it with. Look at that, isn't that awesome? Okay, let's move on. Okay, use it as a card front if you want to, and on the inside. You guys, okay, card front, see? You get that die, open it up, and on the inside as well. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at this. This one did really well on HSN also. Now, you are special, and there it is right there. Now, I believe we have an option similar to this one on our website, but the background dies are totally different. So go check your stash, go see what you have, because that fun flower one alone is worth gold, right? Okay, let me just show you really quick what these look like. When you die cut these, you are gonna run it through your die cut machine. You're gonna run it through your die cut machine. Let me just show you this really quick, because I want you to really kind of get the idea. It's gonna go inside an A2 card base, right? It's going inside an A2 card base. Look how big this is, you guys. You're getting two sets here. You're getting the confetti with a layering die, and then you're getting this piece. This piece you're gonna run through your machine. If you want it to pop up the flower, you are going to take that die, peel it off, and run it through together, and that die will pop up. If you want it to do the confetti, you're gonna take the confetti die, put that in there, run it through one time, boom, it's gonna cut out. If you wanna use one of your other background dies, drop it in there. If it fits, it will work. And then you run it through your machine. It's awesome, you guys. And you're getting the words hello and congrats and a couple extra flowers. I know, it's amazing. Go check it out. The website, stampsoflife.com. Club members, you're getting your 15 to 20% discount off of our entire website. If you're not in the club, I'll be honest with you, if you've been watching these videos for a while and you're like, oh, I like that, oh, I like that, oh, I like that, just join the Stamp Club. Just get your foot in the door. Join the Stamp Club. Join the Stamp Club. $13.99 a month. That includes a stamp set every single month, sent to you automatically. That also gets you the 15% off the entire website. The entire website, every single month, every single order that you're a club member. You also get club points. You also get club freebies every couple months. And on your anniversary month, after a year you've been in the club, you get a $15 gift certificate to the website. It's like I pay you to be in the club because you also get all this other goodie stuff. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and just watch that video. You're going to want to subscribe to at least one of those clubs. Go check it out because you know what? I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.